What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are doing two vlogs, and this is part one, I guess, but the part two is going to be a whole different vlog on a whole different car. Today we're doing a review on this cammed out, fully straight piped Camaro SS. There's nothing done to the car except from cams and full straight pipe. I already got the hood popped open so I can show you guys. It's a loud ass car, like loud. It's automatic too, so it's not a manual, which I wish it was a manual, but it's not a manual. Yeah, so nothing done. I guess this is a normal intake for these cars. I'm not knowledgeable on the Camaro's platform and stuff like that, but simple, nothing else done in the motor except from the cams. Let me go ahead and close this up. Definitely a dope ass car, I'm not gonna lie. And the owner is Bell, as you guys have seen him before. Link to his YouTube channel will be in the description below. His shop is gonna be ready soon, hopefully. 2021 R8 coming in April, which we will be going to take delivery of. He has Nittos right now on the rear. What is he running? 305 3520s. I guess this is a special edition. 6.2 liter. I'm not sure what the L99 means, but yeah. Nittos up front, 275 4020s. But overall, it's a decent looking car. Now, compared to the ZL1 and this car, the window size is like so much smaller than the ZL1 we did a review on, which is the satin gray looking one that we did a review on. That's his car. This is also his car. Damn, he's already messed up the front splitter right here. But yeah, it's definitely a decent car. Definitely a decent car. I'm gonna check out the interior. So yeah, like I was saying, like the view, like the window is just so much more shorter. The window height. Nothing fancy to the interior. He has the cloth seats. I think this is just his like race car that he's gonna build out and everything. He just hasn't started yet. Has paddles, automatic windows, automatic locks, windows. Let me get inside. Tinted out banner. I think this is auto dimming mirrors. Definitely no, the visibility in these things are bad. Look how small the mirror is. He has the seats down right now, but yeah, nothing too fancy in the interior. Seats are comfy though. I mean, it's like rental car seats. Let me go ahead and turn it on for you guys. Well, let's check out the trunk space real quick. Trunk space, definitely super small. If you tried to fit a big suitcase in here, it would be pretty hard. You have to go in through the car, through the back seat. So turning it on, it's got the MyLink thing, which people who are used to Chevys know about. I'm not sure if it has a backup screen or not. One thing that's cool though, it shows you like temp gauges down here. It has the oil temp gauge right here. Oh, traction control. Oil temp gauge right there. Oil pressure. What's that? Battery volt. Transmission temperature. That's cool. Got your climate control right here. Right here also. Fan speed. Temperature right here. Hazards. Let me close the door. Got your MyLink, whatever. Has Bluetooth. That's cool. I'm not sure if it has a backup screen, a backup camera. Let's get it started up. How about that? I know y'all tired about that. Leather, I guess. Yeah, this is real leather. This is like that normal scratchy material. Got leather right here. Cloth. cold start. This is windows up. Hear that bitch just whoa, 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 whoa. Let's get a little acceleration. Windows down. Oh my gosh, this thing is so loud.
SS's, man, like especially this year, the engine are nice. LS motors can hold like 1200, 1500 on stock block. Oh! Yeah, y'all that shit. Hey, that shit. Yeah, so how it works with this car is that first, second gear to third is aggressive as fuck and not smooth.
It is.
You gotta if you push it, you gotta go. Like you gotta go.
I could feel like giving up on the back end a little bit though.
Yeah, it's sitting on Nitto tires, which is not really good right now.
Fourth, third, second. Oh my gosh. The shakiness is like a little bit scary, but like I don't want to like stay into it and just slide off the damn road.
Yeah, that's gonna slide. The tires not hot at all.
Oh my gosh, this bitch go crazy.
So for what it is, it's an extremely like torquey car. What you cam it, it's like torquey as fuck.
It feels light.
Yeah, if you're torquey as fuck, it feels completely different. It's not a 01, but it's not bad either, especially for a single clutch car. You might want to go right.
Okay.
For a single clutch car, it's not bad at all, like at all.
Whoa, buddy. Now that was a little scary.
The car's scary, man. It's scary to fucking drive. And that's why I don't drive it.
This is a little scary.
Well, once it get hotter and the windows can stick to the ground, then I'll start driving shit around.
Oh my, and I had it floored to the ground, and it was just like, now I see what Charger, like Scat Packs and like Hellcats feel like when you like floor it.
Yeah.
It like stays in one place for so damn long and just blows smoke. Like, oh.
This car have an intake, it's cammed, header's back. It did the tune off of it when I bought it.
Oh, so header's back.
Yep.
And cammed and intake. Okay.
Yep. And I think I got bigger injectors too.
Okay. So upgraded injectors. Mm-hmm. All right.
So the first guy who had it, he gave it up. That's too old. He's an old head.
Okay.
He got a car, kept it clean as fuck. Only like 35,000 miles on it. Kept it clean as fuck. It's a 2015, and he just kept it clean, kept it simple.
Like you said, don't expect a Z01. The handling is not like yours. It's a little loose in the steering wheel. The pedal is touchy for sound, but not touchy for power. Yeah. There's like a little lag. There's lag to it, which is, it's fine. It's not. You didn't. Are you gonna build this into a race car? You say?
Yeah, this be a street car built. So yeah, race car, but street built. The difference between a Z01 and the SS. So my year Z01 is a 2018. So the 2016 and up will have an LT4. The SS have an LT. My bad. I said it wrong. The 2016 and up SSs all have an LT1.
Okay.
The Z01 has an LT4 supercharged,
which is the same motor in the Corvettes. The
Z06s.
Yeah.
Now the LT1, if you supercharge that, it can get like 800 easily. The LT1s are not bad. Like, they're not bad engines at all.
800 to the wheel or to the block?
Block.
Okay.
So I would recommend you to get the between 2016 and 2020 Z01 SS. Get a stick. Automatic or single clutches. The car might be fast, but you will lose races just because of that transmission.
The automatic transmission?
The automatic transmission. Because it's single
the way
clutch.
it downshifts and, okay.
Yeah, it don't shift fast enough.
Yeah.
But you get the new 2021s, those motherfuckers will shift like, it got a 10-speed in it, like Z01 has. Yeah. And the new Mustangs has. On FYI, Mustang and Chevy collaborated to make that 10-speed. Okay. So the 10-speed 40 uses and Chevy uses the exact same 10-speed.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, different tuning from company, but you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So also with the Z01 of my year, the 2018s, they're 1 inch longer and 1 inch wider than the SS's.
Okay.
Just for handling and track. You look at a Z01, it looks extremely long.
Yeah,
it does. Extremely long and wide. So you're like young, though. Like I'm a 22. So if you're younger, like in high school, you want to look for a car, and you got Camaro in mind, go Camaro.
Get an SS.
Get an SS, man. And you don't, even if you don't know stick.
I'm gonna hit another quick burnout real quick.
Let's see how we see that.
Oh man, hey, if you in college, if you in high school, get this motherfucking car. I mean, I'm assuming it's relatively affordable, right?
Yeah, very affordable. This is a very affordable car. It doesn't matter what year. You get 2013, you find them for like, I think 12, 13,000. You can make anything, any Camaro from 5th gen to 6th gen.
Yeah.
Like they're affordable cars. Oh, everybody down here heard you. Sure, they heard exactly what the fuck you was doing.
Oh man, this thing is so fucking wild.
Neutral.
Yeah. Oh, that's a backup camera. Talk about the shakes. Shit, like it's on crack. That's it for the Camaro SS. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. The next car is an Audi S4 2014, I believe, supercharged version, not the single turbo, I think, that they made after the supercharged version. But yeah, supercharged version is next. They're cleaning it up right now, but go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, catch you guys on the next one.